cheer them up with your loudest clap. Wow! Everyone, please, wave your hands. Happy hands in the air. Whoa! At may... Wow! Palakpakan naman kayo dyan! May pa-surprise pala siya. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Wow, that's nice. Wow. Malakas na palakpak pa nga dyan. Wow, parang gusto kong sumali. Parang gusto kong sumali ng mga principal sports. Gusto nyo, pwede. Mamaya, i-workout natin yan. Oh my gosh. Para sa lahat ng kababaihan dito, matakot na kayo! Baka ito na ang katapusan ng pagiging single nyo. Whoa! Wala ba kayong mga kamay? This is really amazing and surprising. I want to hear all of our lovely ladies shouting right now. Come on! Let's cheer these guys up! Woo! Sa mga single ladies dyan, siya ba kayo? Walang single? Wow! Hindi naman si Clarence, no? Aha! Sobrang popogi naman ito. Wow! At syempre naman hindi magpapatalo ang ating mga babae! Ang mga kababaihan, girl power ito!
Club isn't the best place to find the lovers, at the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody
Guys, I want
like
to hear
me.
your loudest
Now
clap.
follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. And last night you were in my room, and now my bedsheets smell like you. Every day discovering something brand new. Well, I'm
guys, dahil nag-promise ako sa mga principal sponsors na i-workout ko to, I want everyone's participation on this. Come on guys, please stand up. This actually is a surprise for all of you guys. Pinrepare nila to sa'yo na to para sa ating lahat. At kailangan sumabay tayo. Come on! Come on! Everyone, come on! Please stand up! Come on, group with them! Come on guys! We can do that. Coordinators, can you please guide them? Oh, here we go! Come on, this should be everyone. Come on, man, you can stand up. Go. Come on, you can dance with them.
Yeah, we flipped this thing